everyone, I invite you to these questions which was written in 2022 GCE. The question reads, the sketch shows the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, now the question reads, find the coordinates of A and B. So we have been given the equation, so I'll write solution here. Solution, we are finding solution A. We have been given that equation y is equal to this equation here, this one. Yeah, you can see it, this one, this equation here. So we copy it, x squared minus 2x minus 8. So when finding these questions, we can see that the coordinates for A and B are in the x-axis. So y, we are going to equate it to 0. So where there is y here, we are going to say everything here is equal to 0 because they are in the x-axis. So we write x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to a 0. Yeah, is equal to a 0. Now, how can we solve this problem here? So we will say product sum. What is the product here? So we multiply 1 here, the coefficient of x is 1, so 1 times negative 8, that's the product, it's negative 8. And the sum, we are going to get the middle part of x here, which is negative 2. Now, what are the factors of 8? Which numbers that we can multiply? They give us negative 8. Then when we add them, they will give us 2. Of course, the only answers is 4 and 2. Okay, these are the factors. These are the factors. Now, which one among these will be a negative? Which one here will be a negative? Of course, 4 must be a negative, so that when we say negative 4 plus 2, it gives us this negative 2. When we say negative 4 times 2, it is giving us negative 8. So these are the factors that you are going to get in this equation. So we are going to replace. So we start writing x squared plus 2. We get these factors and replace where there is x here. So this 2 is a positive, then we say 2x, we get this 4 and write it here, negative 4x minus 8 is equal to a 0. Okay, and then we say we factorize both sides. So what is common here is x, then x divide x squared, it is giving us x, plus x divide 2x, it is giving us 2. We close because x divide x, we're going to remain with 2. Then we say, we come to this side, we say minus, what is common here, it's 4. We're going to write 4 here, open bracket, 4, negative 4 into negative 4x, the answer is x. Then negative 4 divide negative 8, the answer is positive 2 is equal to a 0. Okay, Hope you are following me. Then we say this and this we put in brackets. It will be x minus 4 close x plus 2 close is equal to 0. Then we say this x minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to a 0. Then we say x minus 4 is equal to a 0, or x plus 2 is equal to a 0. Then this 4 must close the equal sign. Okay, so it will be x minus, is equal to a 4, and this one will be x is equal to, this 2 will come this side, so it will be negative 2. Now we check here on the parabola, which one must be a negative sign? A must be a negative sign, because these sides, it's a negative sign, and starting from here going this side, these are positives. So when writing the coordinates A and B, so when writing A, we are going to say A, open bracket, A must be a negative, so this negative 2 will be on A, negative 2, 0. Then for B, where is B? B is over here, you can see it. So B must be a positive, which is 4. So we say B is equal to 4, 0. We have solved for question A. Now let us come to question question 2. I'll write it here. So when finding the turning point for x, we have the formula negative b over 2a. When we check here, this is a, b, c. Okay, yes. So we are going to say x is equal to negative, what is our b? Our b here, we can see that it's negative 2. Then we say a negative 2 over 2. What is our a? Our a, it's 1. Then we say open bracket 1. Then we say x is equal to negative times negative, it's 2 over 2. Then x is equal to 1. For y, we are going to replace on the equation, this equation y, where is it? Okay, y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 8. So x we have found. Now I have remained with y. So where there is x, we shall replace with 1 here, because we have already find x. So we say y is equal to x 1. So we say 1 squared minus 2 open bracket 1 close minus 8. Now we solve for this one. Then we say y is equal to 1 squared, it's 1, minus negative 2 times 1, it's 2 minus 8. Yes. Then we say y is equal to, here we say 1, then this we add the signs, because we add here because the signs are same, and it will be negative 10. Then we say y is equal, here we subtract, then the sign to the bigger number to be a negative 9. So the turning point here, we say turning point, it will be x it's 1 and y it's 9, so to be 1 comma negative 9. Or if you want, you can use, when finding for y, you can use the formula. The formula goes like this: 4ac minus b squared over 4a. This is the formula that you can use, whereby you say 4 a it's what? It's 1 here. Then you say 1. Then c it's negative 8 minus b it's negative 2. Then we say negative 2 squared over 4, like this. Then we multiply here. It is giving us what? Negative 32 minus 4 over over 4, because this times this is 4, this times it is 32, negative 32. Then we put a negative here in brackets, it's a positive sign. Then we say here we add it, giving us what? Negative 36, yes, over 4. Then we say 4 into 36, it's 9. Then we put a negative. So if you want, you can go by this formula. If you want, you can just replace where there's x, you put the value that you have solved for x, then you replace it, or you can use this formula. Okay, thank you very much. You should come to my WhatsApp tuitions. I'm the cheapest tutor on YouTube, so I invite you to my WhatsApp class. We have many students and people have been passing. I invite you to my online tuitions. You are very welcome.